Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon. You know, it just feels like late spring, possibly early summer with these temperatures. These are the high temperatures from today, hitting 86 at Kingsville. Look at how furious, 94, and hitting 88 at Alice, Beeville, 89. Now, Corpus Christi came in with 84 officially, but right at the coastline, staying in the low 70s near Port Aransas. So feeling like spring, but we still have 8 days to go before the official start. The vernal equinox is early this year. Usually it falls around the 20th or 21st. This year it's March 19th, and this will be the earliest start to spring since 1896. With spring come the beautiful wildflowers we have here in Texas, and this picture taken from Carlo Treviso of a bluebonnet. By the way, the bluebonnet became our state flower in 1901, and this beautiful shot showing that bee certainly enjoying it. One thing we're not enjoying, though, is the pollens, and those are high, and they will continue to be that way in the next few days. You can see the pollen forecast is in the medium high to high category all the way through Sunday, and as we look at that, we'll see oak, juniper, and hackberries. Those are the things that are out there floating around, maybe causing your allergies to act up. This morning we started with some thick fog. The sea fog is back, and this is the way it looked at Rockport early this morning. It took a little while for that to lift to just a lot of cloud cover out there this afternoon. We did see a little sunshine, as you can see here this afternoon, but that fog is going to move back in tonight, and with that, visibilities will be dipping. In fact, you can see fog tracker here showing those visibilities by midnight already down to about a half of a mile or just above a half a mile right along the coastline, including Rockport through the Naval Air Station. A little bit higher visibility inland, but Corpus Christi, it's possible there could be some dense fog to start the day tomorrow. There'll be pockets of dense fog, and then it'll start to lift again once that fog starts to burn back to the coastline. Inland, we'll start to see that afternoon sun. Farther inland you live, a little more sun you'll see tomorrow afternoon, but still a lot of cloud cover. So with that, here's your forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. We'll see that fog moving in as well. A muggy night. Lows only in the mid to upper 60s tonight, and tomorrow in Corpus Christi, by the time we get to 1 in the afternoon, it's already closing in on 80 degrees. It's going to be a humid 80 degrees tomorrow. We'll still have a lot of cloud cover breaking up in the afternoon, though. We'll see some sun and that wind picking up tomorrow up to about 20 miles an hour from the southeast as our onshore flow continues tomorrow. That'll keep the beaches in the lower to mid 70s. These are forecast highs for your Thursday, but as you go inland, we're talking upper 80s. It's going to be a very warm, humid day. Beach weather over the next 5 days. We're still going to have a lot of cloud cover. The onshore flow is going to continue. We'll also have that fog in the morning hours, and temperatures staying mild at the beaches in the low 70s. Not a lot of sunshine, and we start to pick up a chance of a brief light shower starting Saturday as our warm, humid air continues to flow in off the Gulf. That pattern is not going to change much. In fact, the only change we're going to see is as an area of low pressure here in the southwest continues to deepen, we'll see the upper level winds sending little disturbances in. That's why we have those small shower chances in the forecast as that low continues to lift to the northeast. Another one develops, and this pattern persists all the way through next week. It means not much rain for us. Most of it's going to go to our north, but we will continue to have a lot of clouds and a warm weather pattern into next week. Here's your 7-day forecast then. Nights staying in the mid to upper 60s the next few days. Days reaching into the upper 70s and low 80s. If you live farther inland, we're talking upper 80s into early next week.